Okay, so section B, you must not use the internet from this point onwards. Task 2, March payment. Katie has been collecting payments for the annual theatre trip. The final payment is due at the end of March. Theatre L1 shows details of the families travelling, amount to pay and payments received. Open the document, enter your name, candidate number and centre number in the footer. Alright, so that's our first test. Second test, the number of juniors travelling with the Hussein family is 4. Enter this information into the spreadsheet. Right, so let's get that Theatre L1 document. Again, enable editing so we can input. Right, so the first task is to put our name in the header and footer. Now, I've previously shown you that if you go on page layout, it shows you your header, 3 sections. If you scroll the page down, in this case scroll it a bit further on, and we've got the footer. So, just to show you what I'll do, I'll then put my name in that side and then back. So I'll click back onto your spreadsheet and back into normal view, and that disappears from sight. You've got dotted lines that show you where the page would print. And if we come back to the top, another way of going around about doing it, you go to insert, page layout, and then the page setup. Click this little arrow, and we've got header and footer, custom header, custom footer. So you can see that's already there. So I'm going to add custom footer, certain section, dummy, candidate number, and then the right section 033239. Okay. So again, there's no evidence of that in this view. You're in that kind of data input view. If you do a print preview though, so Control and P, you can see that's there. Right, so Hussein, number of juniors travelling, I think it was 4, let's just check. The number of juniors travelling with the Hussein family is 4. So that's that input. Use the formula to calculate the total adult cost for each family, total junior cost for each family, and the total cost per family. Right, okay, so that's fairly straightforward. So what we've got, number of adults travelling for each of the families. So for the Jones, there's 2 lots of £62.25. Copy that. And then for juniors, £34.50 times 5. Go in there. And obviously the total cost per family, we'd add this and this together to get the total cost for the Jones family. Alright, so let's key that in. So we always start with equals, and we've got this, B5 times, which is a little star, and this, the cost per adult. Yep, so we've got equals B5, asterisk for times, and C5. There's our answer, £124.50. Total junior cost equals 5 juniors multiplied by the cost per junior, which is £34.50, and we get £172.50. Total cost per family, so I need to add this and this together, equals this plus this, and there we go. £297. Use the fill handle and click and drag down. Alternatively, I can even in this case do that, double click, fill them all down. Notice there's a 0 there because there's 0 juniors for the McNair family. we go. And then we can see underneath amount paid and then March payments from the settlement. And this looks like, because the Johns need to pay 297, so we'll find out how much they've paid. March payment, likelihood is it's going to be this minus this to work out how much they need to settle. Let's have a look. Cases use rows 14 to 21 to record the payments received from each family. Use a formula to calculate the amount paid by each family. Right, so that's easy enough. Amount paid, and this is where we can use our auto sum on the home tab. And look, as soon as you click it, you can see equals sum, and then this highlighted the range B15 to E15. So there we go, they paid 120. So it looks like they are 177. Anyway, let's fill that down. The March payment is total cost per family minus the amount paid. Use a formula in cell G15 to calculate the March payment for the Jones family. Copy this formula for all families. Okay, so March payment equals total cost per family, take away the amount they paid so far. There you go, £177. Let's fill that down, double click. And there we go. Right, so we can save that. It says a print out of your spreadsheet showing the formula you used. Make sure the formula are not truncated. That means they're not displayed fully. I'm surprised it's not going to format. Oh, there we go. Format the spreadsheet. So basically it's saying at this point we need to do a print out showing formulas. Formulas tab. Over here we've got our show formulas. The shortcut is control on that funny button underneath your escape key. So if we click it, you can see formulas, and that's what they want evidence of. You've used all these lovely formulas in each of these. If I go to a print preview, you can see at the moment it's going to be 2 pages, so it's probably fine though. We could scale it to 1 page. Let's see, fit all columns on 1 page. And again, I think that'll be fine. It's not too difficult to see. Anyway, so that's that part done. So the formulas back off. So the second part. Formatting, format all currency values to pounds with 2 decimal places, and then add any other formatting to make the spreadsheet clear and easy to understand. Right, so we don't need to do too much on this. Obviously their costs, these aren't costs, the number of adults, number of juniors, all these are costs. Home tab, the format, change it to currency. Same with these. And then all these. Right. So, formatting to make it clear and easy for someone to read. Generally, we want borders, so you can get that off the font section there. These are already bold, which is good. We could, if we wanted, highlight this. We could do some format as table, which is a fairly quick, easy fix. gives you banded rows, gives you header row. Turn the filters off. The only problem is it's made it quite wide, but it's a fairly quick fix in terms of getting what we want. The only issue I've got really is these are a bit too wide. Especially in view of printing on one page. And that's pretty good. The only other thing we could do, we could make these bold and much bigger. This one, quite nice to merge and centre above there. And this, likewise, but won't be as big. And make it italic. Let's look at a print preview. There we go. Okay, and that's that task done.